Good morning, class family. It's a wonderful Wednesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. December 18th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will compare and contrast Hanukkah and Kwanzaa. After that, we will read the list of words about winter. Last, we will draw and write about winter. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. I notice the month is spelled with a capital letter D, then EC period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said December, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter D to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, we're going to continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. December 18th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, and it's a wonderful Wednesday. Notice the capital letter T that starts that sentence and the period at the end. Remember, good writers start sentences with a capital letter and end with punctuation marks. At this time, we're going to review the names of punctuation marks you're going to see in the message. Are you ready? Okay, good writers know how to use these punctuation marks. Say them in Skywrite. Period at the end of telling sentences, statements, and abbreviations. Exclamation point, also called an exclamation mark. That's at the end of a sentence. It shows strong feeling. Question mark at the end of our question sentence, just like a question of the day. And comma. You will see a comma used in the date after the number, after the greeting, after transitional words and phrases, at the bottom of our message after the closing love. And also, if you're listing more than a few items, good writers know where to use a comma and the sight word and. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. And we do that every single day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. And each day at school, we are working on being a strong listener. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening. Mouth is silent when someone else is speaking, and body is still and in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, class family. At this time, we're going to go through and discuss the sequence of what we're doing in language arts. Remember, the sequence is the order of events from beginning to end. Review these transitional words and phrases, readers. First, next, then, after that, last. First, we will learn letters and sounds. We will. And we're going to use so many resources. Shout out to Benchmark Advance. We'll be using your resources in person and the electronic version as well. We have so many things, including our alphabet chart to review letters, sounds, picture match that letter, American Sign Language. We have some learning stations in the room that help us as well. YouTube channels, Jack Hartman's Mr. B Singing Walrus Learning Station, Hopscotch, just to name a few, as well as the CBC Word Song and Sight Word Dance. So many great ones to help us to learn letters, sounds, and other important things in kindergarten. Next, we'll do literacy centers. We're going to do literacy centers, and you're going to do Lexia Core 5 reading program. You're going to meet with teachers in groups. You have some other centers in the room to work on, and lots of special things to help us to pump our brains with knowledge. Then we will compare and contrast Hanukkah and Kwanzaa. So we've been learning about many different winter holidays, and today we're going to reflect back about what we know about Hanukkah and what we know about Kwanzaa, and we're going to compare and contrast the two holidays. Good readers can compare and contrast two different things, and we're going to be thinking about Hanukkah and thinking about Kwanzaa and some things that are alike and some things that are different as we compare and contrast the two holidays. After that, we'll read the list of words about winter. We're going to look back at the list of words that we brainstormed yesterday. Remember, our topic is winter. We have that at the top. We have brainstormed ideas about winter. We even wrote sentences together as a class family. For example, winter is mittens and hats. Winter is family. Winter is Hanukkah. Winter is Christmas. Winter is presents. Remember, winter is decorations. We're going to go ahead and look back and reread that list about winter and see if there's anything else we want to add. We're also going to be rereading the sentences as well and writing some more. Last, we will draw and write about winter. Love, Miss Joyner, we will. So we're going to be continuing our writing using winter as the topic, and we're going to figure out the different points and details and continue writing sentences. Remember, good writers start sentences with a capital letter. Good writers know a sentence tells a complete idea, has finger spaces between the words so the words don't smush together. And good writers know there's a punctuation mark at the end. And today we'll be putting periods at the end of our telling sentences about the topic winter. It's going to be a wonderful day. All right, it's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question for today in our T-chart of yes or no answers is a do you like question. And the question is, do you like ornaments? Well, do you? Think about your answer. Get ready to share why. Oh, there's so many ornaments out there. Do you like ornaments?